Okay, so I'm gonna call my Canadian cell phone provider, which I've been using for years, and I'm gonna ask them some questions about what my options are for upcoming travels that I have, and let's see what they say.
Let me search for a team member to help you. So tell me, how may I help you today?
Yeah, I'm just wondering if you offer plans for the whole world. Like if I'm going on a trip to multiple countries, if you have a plan that covers all those countries.
Okay, to be honest with you, like first only package for certain countries, but not all the countries are included. The US, that is for $14 per day, and the other one that is international, that is for $16 per day.
So I'm paying my regular bill, and then I'm paying either $14 or $16 per day, depending if I'm in the US or in another country on top of that.
That's correct.
It's expensive, so it'd be like $500 for basically on top of what I'm already paying for like a month.
That's correct.
Okay. Does that situation sound familiar? Yeah. For years, options for staying connected while traveling was either expensive international roaming plans or trying to hunt down SIM card kiosks in each place you visit. Not only was that super inconvenient, but the cost also adds up so fast for both options. And don't even get me started on top-ups and managing multiple SIMs, just no. Thankfully, there's now a much better way to stay connected, and that is Holafly eSIMs. Now, if you're new to eSIMs, I've broken down exactly what one is in other videos, so you can watch that. It'll pop up now. But to quickly sum it up, an eSIM is a digital SIM card rather than a physical SIM card that is built into your phone and lets you activate a mobile data plan instantly without popping open your phone. If you're someone who takes 1 or 2 trips a year, Holafly single country and regional plans are ideal. You can choose coverage for specific destinations or areas, perfect for visiting just one country or hopping between a few. Plans are available for anywhere from 1 to 90 days, and setup is quick, easy, and once you land at your destination, you'll be connected almost instantly. Having reliable data from the moment you touch down gives you the freedom to make audio or video calls without any delays to your family, tell them that you've arrived safely, or start sharing stories on social media, look up hotels, restaurants, and activities using maps just to get around. With an eSIM, there's no more looking for a SIM card kiosk as soon as you arrive at an airport or trying to find a Wi-Fi connection in order to call an Uber to get to your first hotel. Removing that stress is such a relief that you can arrive at your destination and just start your trip with ease, getting to your first hotel seamlessly, which is nice, especially after a long flight. Now, if you're a frequent traveler like myself, this is really exciting. Holafly monthly subscription plans are the latest offer from the eSIM provider, and it's a total game changer for digital nomads, frequent flyers, backpackers, expat, business travelers, and travel content creators. I've used Holafly plans across 6 countries so far, and it has been seamless. Whether I was in a remote countryside in Ireland or in the mountains of Albania, the connection has been strong and reliable. Holafly plans has saved me money, time, and stress every single month, and for that I'm so grateful. For just $65 US per month, you can have unlimited data in over 160 countries with no contracts, no SIM swapping, no roaming charges, and no top-ups. You just install one eSIM at your first destination, and after that, you're connected everywhere you go, seamlessly. Each month, your plan gets renewed automatically, so you don't even have to think about it. Like I've already mentioned, I've used the Holafly subscription plans in 6 countries so far, and the connection has been fast, reliable, and stress-free. Honestly, with Holafly plans, you will feel like you've cracked the code on how to stay connected abroad. If you've tried other eSIM providers before and are on the hunt for a new trustworthy provider, let me just save you some time. Holafly is one we just keep coming back to. We've tested out a few others, and some have been spotty or just downright frustrating. Holafly, though, has stood out for its speed, its consistency every single time. If you're already like, perfect, I am ready to give Holafly a go, you can head to the description section of this video, and there you'll find a discount code for 10% off all Holafly subscription plans, as well as 5% off all other plans and top-ups using our discount code Kristen and Sia. But if you want to dive deeper into what makes Holafly worth it, stick around because I am going to be sharing more. With all Holafly plans, you'll also get 24/7 customer support in multiple languages, which neither Sia and I have used personally because we haven't had to, which is also great. Mobile tethering, so you can use your data on other devices and share also with your family and friends. You can keep your WhatsApp number so you can call or message your contacts as if you were at home. With Holafly subscription plans, you also get a European phone number included that you can use to text message. Sia and I have been using Holafly eSIMs for the last couple of years across a wide range of countries like India, Montenegro, Peru, Croatia, the United States, Costa Rica, Italy, Ireland, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Whether we've been in the middle of bustling cities or tucked away in a quiet, remote village, the connection has been consistently fast and dependable. There has been several times when friends or fellow travelers were struggling with spotty service from other eSIM providers or roaming add-ons from their local carriers. Meanwhile, mine and Sia's Holafly connection was strong and steady, and after they saw that firsthand, most of them decided to switch over to Holafly for their next adventure. And to be completely transparent, Sia and I are about to get rid of our Canadian phone plans, which I have had for the last 17 years, him even longer, because the Holafly plans are way better. With our Canadian phone plan, we're paying a premium every single month, even when we're not using much data, plus extra roaming charges anytime we travel, and it just doesn't make sense anymore, especially when Holafly offers an unlimited data subscription that works in over 160 countries with no surprise fees. The Holafly subscription gives us the freedom to travel without switching SIMs or worrying about going over our data limit. It's affordable, hassle-free, and it's actually designed with travelers in mind. So for us, it's a no-brainer and honestly, long overdue. So whether you're a first-time traveler who wants peace of mind, a family who wants a hotspot to your kid's tablet, a digital nomad, couple traveling long-term or doing van life, or honestly, anyone who wants stress-free connectivity, even if you're not traveling, Holafly has an affordable and reliable plan for you. Over 10 million travelers have already trusted Holafly to stay connected around the world, including us. So if you're ready to join the millions of happy customers, you can head on over to the description section of this video and you'll get a 10% discount for 12 months on Holafly subscription plans and 5% off all other plans and top-ups using our discount code Kristen and Sia. I genuinely appreciate when there are travel tools that just makes life easier, and Holafly has been a staple for Sia and I on our international trips. It's reliable, easy to use, and unlimited, which means we can just focus more on adventure unless I'm trying to find the next Wi-Fi connection. So grab an Holafly eSIM for your next adventure using our link and discount code and enjoy unlimited data anywhere in the world. All right, in the comment section below, tell everyone here, where are you heading to next? Share your travel plans, share whether you have used Holafly eSIM before and what your experience was like, as well as if you have any questions about it, let me know so I can help you out. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, be sure to do so, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next one. Happy travels!